Hey guys, it's Eero Car Battery Replacement, and today we are programming a battery in this Land Rover Discovery Sport. To do this registration, you're going to need a scan tool and diagnostic tool that's able to talk to the car's ECU. In this case, we are using our ThinkCar 689BT. We are using the DOIP protocol to communicate with the ECU. First, we have to connect the USB to Ethernet adapter. Connect the Ethernet cable to the Y-split cable. With that Y-split, we'll be able to connect our OBD dongle and connect other side to the actual OBD port inside the car. We'll press auto search and let the tablet search for the car. Now we'll tap on auto search again for all the other diagnostic abilities in this tablet. Since we are using the DOIP protocol, we have to download some files using Wi-Fi connection. Our diagnostic tool also gives us a quick diagram to help us wire out the DOIP communication standard. Once we click on DOIP, we will go to Common Special Functions and find battery matching. So there will be a lot of prompts asking us to continue or tap OK. We will do all of those. Once that continues, then we'll go to battery replacement, tap OK as well. After that, it's going to say it's going to reset the monitoring system. I believe this is how Land Rovers monitor their battery voltage systems. Then we'll press on main battery. Once we tapped all of those functions, now we can start up the car and see how everything starts up with no check engine lights. Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. We will definitely help you guys out.